Hi everybody, Daniel here with Screenly. Today we're going to be going over how to get Canva produced content onto your Screenly digital signs. Canva is a really great tool, super popular, probably most of you have heard about it. Essentially allows anyone to be a pretty decent designer. And on most projects it can really get you 95% of the way there. And then you can share that content on your digital signs with Screenly to get everybody to see it. So the first thing to do is to log into your online Screenly account. You can get started with a free trial if you don't already have one. And then go to the Screens tab on the left-hand side of the screen and click Add Screen. And you can launch screens with Screenly using one of our physical devices, a Screenly Player or Screenly Player Max, or also one of our browser-based screens, which don't require any hardware other than your existing smart TVs, or in this case, a computer monitor. So you click Screenly Anywhere, and then you go to anywhere.screenly.io. And what that's going to open up is a pairing screen so that you can tell your Screenly account what screen it is that you want to display content on. So we're going to put in that pairing code, KPPK. Okay, let's go back to our account. KPPK, and the other four digits are UGGS. Okay, now that's going to be unique for your screen, so don't copy those exactly, just copy what displays. And we're going to call this test screen, and we're going to click add. That adds the screen to our account. And just thinking here for a second, and then we'll see the screen on our list of screens here. So here we go, test screen. And now in an actual account, not just our demo account, you can see 2 screens, 5 screens, dozens of screens, even hundreds of screens. And you can manage them all centrally with Screenly. So the next step is to go inside our Canva account. And here we have a design here of a customer journey map. Can be super useful for teams to think about how their customers are thinking about their business. But with Canva, there's a ton of templates, whether that's mind maps like we have here, or process flows. Could even just be a presentation about whatever's relevant for your business. I'd really encourage you to check out the Canva templates. I really like their whiteboard as well, where essentially these templates are much more than just the image, but they're kind of a working document that multiple people can collaborate on, and you can share that also. For right now, let's go to the demo content we have. And the task now is we need to get a public share link so that our screens can display this live content. So we're going to click share. Then the next thing we're going to do is not here in the access level, but we're going to do public view link, and we're going to click it, and we're going to copy the link. It might, in your first instance, ask you to confirm that you want to create this public link, but you'll have to copy it as well, as you see here. So we're going to go back to our Screenly account, and we're going to go to the Content tab on the left-hand side. On the right, click plus new content, and we're going to click here in this pop-up modal URL. Okay, and we're going to paste the URL here, and we're going to click finish. Okay, now that's adding this share link URL as content to our Screenly account, because we're going to now show that content on our screen. So we'll call this Canva. Okay, you can see a demo of the content here on the right. It looks really good. We're going to save it. Okay, now with Screenly, and you can see the content here. Now with Screenly, you have content, playlist, and screens. So you assign content to playlist, and then you assign playlist to the screen. So here we go to playlist, and we're going to create a new playlist here, and we're going to call it Canva. Okay, you can see that I did a test one before. Now we have to decide the screen that the content plays on, and it's going to be the test screen that we just created. Be sure to click save. Okay, for the schedule, make sure that it is before the previous state so that it shows it. Okay, 18. Okay, and we're going to click the plus content here, okay, and add our Canva content. Perfect. Okay, and now be sure to click save on the bottom right, or it won't save that playlist. So just to reiterate, we have a playlist here with the content we added, and it plays on our test screen. So once you click save, that content now and we can click on the test screen. We can see that that content is assigned to the screen. And if you go to the screen, which you can expand, for full screen and put it wherever you want in your place of business, you see here that it's displaying really beautifully. So that's it. So that's how you use Screenly and Canva to display custom content on digital signs. We have a ton of other tutorials that you should definitely check out on how to use different tools and display that data and dashboards and other content on your signs. And we encourage you to get started with a free trial if you don't have an account already, and let us know how we can help. Thanks.